In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make your first $10,000 per month with Propfims. I've been day trading for over 3 years, and I've been trading for 12 years, all right? And Propfims has its pros and cons, okay? You can definitely get you to your first $10,000 a month, you risking less capital, and then you want to put your profits into a live account, okay? So I have many tutorials on my strategy, okay? If you just go to the description, you'll see a link to my Telegram. I will tell you how you can get access to a free course. I don't sell anything here. You can't buy me. I have free courses, free telegrams, free signals, free coaching every single week. Anyway, let's digress. To get to your first $10,000 with Propfims a month, first of all, you need to think like the 1%. Because remember, guys, what is it? 1 to 5% of people are actually profitable traders. So you need to change the way you're thinking. Because you watch this video because you're not making $10,000 a month. Not here to brag, I make way more than that. All right? Watch my live trading, make that day. Okay? Also do live tradings over my TikTok. Okay? I digress. So, how does the 1 to 5% of people that are actually profitable think? But before you even go there, any business that you are in, you need to understand the game. What is the game of Propfims, guys? Let's think about it. What is the game? You need to understand the game. Because if you don't understand the game, you're going to be played by the game. All right? Let's digress. It's very simple. The house will always have a percentage, will have a win. Okay? So let's say, I actually know, because I know people that own their own Propfims. Propfims work on a 20% margin. So they will make 20% of whatever revenue they generate. Okay? The other 80% obviously goes to people that make money from day trading. So where does the 80% of money that come from to pay the people that make money? Obviously from the X amount of percent of people that lose money. So understand the game. It's a Ponzi. Understand the game that you're playing. Simple. You are literally, if you're losing money in day trading, Propfims, you are giving it to the people that are making money. Because remember, and this is for my people that are actually, you know, maybe looking into day trading, Propfims, and don't really quite understand it. Guys, first you have an eval. That's not live. You're basically in a simulated environment. Basically, you're trading on their website. Then when you pass that, you trade on the website as well. You're not live trading. You know that, right? Okay? So you could be making 10, 20,000 a month without even them putting you onto a live account in the markets. You can literally make 10K a month on their simulation account. So all you need to understand first is where the money coming from. That just gives you that understanding, that relaxation. Like, okay, it makes sense. I don't know about you guys, but I like to be in industry that makes sense to me. And now you understand it makes sense, we can move forward. All right? So, how do you become the 1 to 5% that actually making money, giving it to the people that don't make money? Very simple. They don't treat these accounts like gambling. I guarantee you guys do. Why? Because you spend $130, is absolutely nothing. You think you got 50,000 of capital, which you haven't. You lose 2,000 and you blow the account, and it's not even real money. So you're just thinking of, this isn't real. You're like, it doesn't matter, I'll go again. No, treat it like a business, right? Just because it's 130, this is where they get you. They make it cheap enough for you to blow it, and they make it high enough price that they make money from it, right? And I guarantee you, and you probably can admit this yourself, I reckon the average person, this is just common sense, I've got a lot of common sense, blows 5 to 10 accounts a month. So you're losing $500 to $1,000 a month because you're not taking it seriously. Take it like an actual business, okay? And also a way to take it like a business is, and this is, you're not gonna understand this because you're not gonna think I'm gonna say this. You'll be like, oh, that's not very being cautious. That's not very risk to reward. And basically, guys, don't pussyfoot around these accounts. Like, there's a thin line between gambling. Shit, the camera fell. There's a thin line between gambling, right, and sitting down and spending a subscription on these accounts. All All right? Don't be spending a month to pass an eval account. Stop trying to make $50, $100 to lose $50. Up your lots straight. And I know that's a bit counterproductive, because I just said to you, don't treat it as gambling, but you need a good strategy, right? But just don't take weeks and months to pass them, okay? Have a strategy, up your lots, and pass them in 2-3 days a week. Stop playing the whole month so you're paying this damn subscription, not passing these accounts, okay? So first of all, let's conclude. You need to understand the game that you're playing, okay? Don't gamble. Just gamble means you're pressing buttons, guys. Understand what I'm trying to say to you. Don't just jump on the truck and press the buttons because you're gambling. Have a strategy, and then up your lot so you're not waiting a month to pass a freaking eval. Like, it makes 0 sense. You should pass the evals within a week, all right? Now, you might be like, Christian, it's easy said and done. How to get a strategy? Very simple. Like I said, join my Telegram. I give you a strategy for absolutely free, right? Nobody's doing what I'm doing. I give you coaching for free, all right? And also, you need to work on mindset. So, last but not least, it's your mindset, guys. Like, you need to understand probabilities. This comes from like mindset, but like just simple maths, right? Understand probabilities, understand risk reward, and understand that it's okay to lose a trade because it goes back to probabilities. Okay, and if you guys have an issue with that, there's a great book called Trading the Zone by Mark Douglas. Highly recommend you to watch that, guys. All right, like, subscribe, and I'm here to give you all the trading wisdom for free that you need to become a profitable trader. That was the mindset. That was just simple structure. Okay, join the TG, link in the description to get access to the free course, signals, and coaching for free from me. I don't need to sell you nothing. I make money trading.